Hello, we are from Group 3. Now we are going to present Teacher Wan question 10. Saleh borrows RMK from the financial institution that charge a simple interest rate of 7% per year. A. Find the value of K if he has to pay back 2,400 after 5 years. From the question, we get to know principal amount is RMK, 7% is the interest rate, 2,400 is the simple amount, and 5 years is the end, which is the year. So we can use the formula S equals to P times 1 plus RT. From the formula, we get to sub into the amount, and in the end, the final answer, we will get K equals 1,777.78.
Question B. How long will he take to settle the debt if he decides to pay simple interest at RM250? Kita gunakan formula interest sama dengan P RT. So interest dia kita berdasarkan soalan kita dapat 250. Principal dia berdasarkan soalan A tadi kita dapat principal sama dengan 1777.78. Rate dia 0.07 darab dengan T. So calculate T dapat sama dengan 2 tahun.